Hello everyone, Riley here with the T-Storm Chasers. We will jump into our weather video in just a moment, but first here is a word from our friends at Cube Portable Storage.
What are you doing?
Decluttering?
Moving? Remodeling? In need of temporary storage, emergency cleanup, or just need to declutter? Cube Portable Storage has the perfect solution. Rent your Cube Portable Storage container today.
And don't forget, they got roll-off dumpsters for the other stuff. Call Cube Storage for all your moving needs.
All right, hello everyone. Happy Tuesday out there. Today is May 26th, 2026. And let's go ahead and dive into today's weather video. Firstly, I just wanted to say, hopefully you guys had an amazing Memorial weekend out there. I was on vacation as well. I'm back here today giving you guys weather content once again. So looking at our regional map here, over the Memorial weekend, we did see some rough weather in the Sioux Falls area, southeastern South Dakota on Sunday into Sunday night, and that was a big deal. And then on Monday, yesterday, we did see some severe weather down in Nebraska, and we saw some thunderstorm activity in Nebraska and Iowa. So we kind of missed out on last night's weather event, which is good. Now, there was flash flooding going on in the Sioux Falls area. There was a flash flood warning that was issued. So Sioux Falls got some rough weather Sunday. So now, as we move forward and take a look at what's next in the weather, you can see right now we did see some morning showers in east central South Dakota into Minnesota. Very light activity, light sprinkles. This activity is now gone. So any rain showers that we have remaining is pretty much done. Looking at temperatures, we are going to see another very hot day out there today, another taste of summer. We're not quite there yet, but we are seeing summer-like weather once again for today. We saw it over the weekend, and now we're seeing it once again today. 82 already in Sioux Falls. That's already above average for this time of the year. Again, we should be in the low 70s, low to mid 70s, not the mid 80s. 86 up in Aberdeen. It's already 90 degrees in the Gettysburg area, 88 in Huron and Mitchell, 86 in Pierre, 90 already in Winter and Phillip, 82 out in Rapid City. If you want cooler weather, you're going to have to go down to Custer. We're at 72 degrees down in Custer. Down into Nebraska, we're already hot. We're 90 degrees in Valentine. We're at 82 in O'Neill. We're at 81 in Grand Island. And 82 in Omaha. And into Iowa, we are at 81 in Des Moines, 77 in Spencer, 81 in Mason City, and 82 in Cedar Rapids. Up in Minnesota, we are in the same boat, upper 70s to low 80s. We're at 79 in the cities, 82 in Rochester, 79 in Fairmont, and 81 in Redwood Falls. So it is going to be another hot day out there, lots of sunshine, and we're going to be seeing temperatures soaring into the 80s and 90s. Now, real quick with this hot weather today, just wanted to mention this. Out in western Nebraska, for Rushville down to Oglala, Nebraska, there is a red flag warning in pink there. And this is until 7 p.m. Mountain Time today. And be on the lookout for that with low humidity, hot temperatures, and gusty winds. Again, this is where we're seeing the red flag fire weather concerns again in Nebraska for today, so be mindful of that if you live in those areas. All right, so for the rest of the day today, part of this forecast is also the chance for more thunderstorms. Have a look here at your map. This is your severe weather outlook map from the Storm Prediction Center. And you can see there is a general thunderstorm risk in the light green for central and eastern South Dakota into northern Iowa. It does include Pierre, Aberdeen, and Sioux Falls. And then we have this marginal risk in green, level 1 out of 5 for severe weather in dark green. Northeastern South Dakota included, Brookings, Watertown, Sisseton, and then into southeastern North Dakota, it includes Fargo, and then into Minnesota. So we will be watching that closely for thunderstorm development later today. This is going to be after 5 o'clock, and this is going to last through tonight. So chance for thunderstorms, maybe some strong thunderstorms that could pack severe weather with hail and wind. We're not seeing a tornado threat. This is strictly for hail and strong winds. All right, we're going to get back to our weather video in just a moment, but first, sponsorship opportunities out there. We are looking for sponsors, so if you are interested in partnering with T-Storm Chasers and becoming a sponsor with us, feel free to reach out to us on our Facebook page or any of our social platforms, as well as our email or phone number. And we're also launching our new weather call system that is available now. Highly recommend. Sign up. It's $15 for a whole year, and you get life-saving phone calls from us here at T-Storm Chasers. It is a GPS-based system, so any warnings that are issued in your area during severe weather events such as tornadoes, severe weather, and flood events, any warnings that are issued for your immediate area, you will receive a phone call within seconds from us at T-Storm Chasers, giving you guys life-saving information. If you're interested, sign up today. Go to the website at tscalert.org. Now let's get back to the video. All right, so now as we take a look at the future radar picture across our Northern Plains region, you can see by this evening, we can start to see again after 5 o'clock is when our time frame for thunderstorm development would be in northern Iowa, southern Minnesota, even out towards central Minnesota even, as you can see there. So again, we're not seeing a very intense setup here. I mean, this is nothing major. We're seeing a marginal risk for severe weather, so we're not really expecting a whole lot going on. Now, tonight, we could see some more widespread rain and thunderstorm activity in Minnesota, northeastern South Dakota, northern Iowa, and as you can see there, it would kind of form kind of a line segment there. So we'll keep an eye out for that. Again, later today into tonight, we'll keep an eye out for it. But again, we're not really expecting much out of this. But there is that marginal risk, so we will keep a close eye on things. But for the Sioux Falls area, we're not really expecting much. Now, on Wednesday, we could see some shower activity in the Sioux Falls area. As you can see here, eastern South Dakota into northern Iowa, western Minnesota, we could see some scattered light rain showers across the region. Other than that, that's it for the short term. Now, if we take a look at the Euro model, this gives us a better picture for the longer range outlook model. And as we look ahead here, looking at Thursday, we're not really seeing much here. So we're going to be seeing a dry forecast on Thursday. Friday, we could see some rain showers in southwestern South Dakota into Nebraska. We'll keep an eye out for that. That would be, again, Friday during the day. And then that would kind of fade out, and then we would see potentially another rain system, mainly out west here. You can see a lot of rain going on, a lot of scattered rain in Montana, Wyoming, but it goes into western Nebraska, western South Dakota, western North Dakota. So, you know, Rapid City, Black Hills, look at this. We have a little bit darker green there. That signals some heavier rainfall. So we'll keep an eye out for that. That's on Saturday this weekend. We'll keep an eye out for it, but it does look like at this time we're not seeing any major systems in the forecast. Now, if we head into Sunday, we're not really seeing a whole lot. We are seeing a low pressure, but you know, we're kind of in what is called an omega block, and what that means is we're not seeing any major systems ahead for the foreseeable future. And that also means we're not really seeing any severe weather either. So that's good news as well. We don't need the severe weather, but we do need some more rain. I mean, we are still dealing with a drought. We have put a dent in it, thankfully, but we still need more rain in the longer range picture because these temperatures are not going to get any colder anytime soon. So we're only going to see warming temperatures pretty much now through, you know, much through the end of the summer, really. I mean, we're not really going to see any major cool downs, at least in the short term and medium term forecast. Now, long range, out towards the summer, we could see cooler weather. You know, of course, we're going to see stretches of cooler weather, but for the most part, we're pretty much done with the cold weather. You know, we had some frost things going on in May. It's been a very up and down month of May, but what that means is, again, an omega block, that's the setup right now across the country, which means we're not really seeing any severe weather chances anytime soon, and that also means we're not seeing any major systems either. All right, so let's go ahead and look at temperatures real quick for you. Today is going to be a hot day, as I mentioned earlier, a taste of summer, and then it's not going to stop. On Wednesday, for your day tomorrow, we're seeing widespread 80s and 90s once again. So it's going to be another hot day for tomorrow and another hot day on Thursday as well. Temperatures in the 80s and 90s widespread across the area. And on Friday, same story. We're seeing more hot weather, 80s and 90s. We are really going to be seeing a summer-like forecast here this week. Now, finally, this weekend, we start to cool things down at least a little bit. We're going to be in the 80s on Saturday across the region, so we're not seeing any more 90s. And then on Sunday, we're seeing temperatures in the upper 70s to low 80s on Sunday as well. And then by Monday, similar forecast. So Saturday through Monday, we're seeing temperatures in the upper 70s to low 80s. So it's going to be cooler, but still about where we should be for this time of the year. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Don't forget to smash the like button, drop a comment down below. Let us know your thoughts on this hot weather forecast ahead. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring those notification bells if you enjoy our content and you don't want to miss our upcoming videos. That's why you ring the notification bell. And be sure to check us out on Facebook, X, Instagram, and TikTok so you don't miss any of our content over there. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.